Welcome to the Geotechnical Laboratory of Deltares. This special geotechnical laboratory has been around for more than half a century. Advanced geotechnical tests are performed here on a variety of soils. And in this lab we have state-of-the-art devices which are operated by skilled technical personnel which work closely with high-trained colleagues, including professors from Delft University and Utrecht University.
Various pioneer research projects have been carried out in the Deltares Geotechnical Laboratory in order to get better understanding of physical behavior of soils. An example of a key project is the liquefaction behavior of loosely packed sand layers in Groningen in relation to the earthquake problem over there. Another key project is, for instance, the performance of conventional as well as large-scale incremental load compression test for assessing subsidence in the peaty soils in the Netherlands, which is related to the emission of greenhouse gases. And of course, in the light of climate change, the need for performing geotechnical tests under unsaturated conditions and the shrink-swell behavior of clay soils is becoming more vital.
The role of the Deltares Geotechnical Laboratory is mainly in parameter assessment. Assessment of conventional parameters for the more conventional models as well as for the very advanced models. And the type of research we do here is, besides the conventional element testing, in general studying material behavior in all its aspects. Well, there are many societal challenges in the near future in which the Deltares Geotechnical Laboratory can play an important role. For example, when it comes to the expected sea level rise, there is a tendency for the increase and update of the water retaining structures with all their demands and requests on high safety levels. Then there is the issue of continuing urbanization, where civil engineering works are constructed closer and closer together, and therefore the influence of one construction to the other requires more knowledge about soil behavior regarding creep as well as horizontal displacements and deformations. And that's where our laboratory can play an important role.
I think if you have a problem to solve that requires soil testing outside the standard way, then the Deltares Geotechnical Laboratory is really the place to be. This lab has the experience, the flexibility, and above all, the mentality to work with the client towards finding testing solutions. And I think it's no coincidence that through the years, various custom-made devices have been developed in this lab. And in my opinion, this is one of the features that made the Deltares Geotechnical Laboratory truly unique in the field of soil element testing and the research associated with this.